So the zip function combines multiple iterators and creates a single iterator in Python. So let's take an instance. So then, first of all, an iterator is something in which we can loop through. It includes sets, lists, dictionaries, tuples, and strings. For example, let's create something like Marlowww, Rappture, and jyguy. So these are the list of names. After that comes the real names, which are DangerMario, and Rappture is actually HideXL. jyguy is the Imposter. Now let's combine it. Let's create an object like data, and it's the zip function of names and the real names. And if we print the data, here's how it looks like. It's an object at this memory address of a computer, mainly a zip object. So if we convert it to a list, it's giving a 2D array, a list of tuples, you can say. And if we convert it to a tuple, it's a 2D tuple of tuples. And it's also showing it in a pretty way. And we can also convert it to a dictionary, which is pretty useful. Like, here it is. And we can also convert it to a set. It's a 2D set, a set of tuples. Now let's remove it and do something else. We can also loop through it because it's an iterable. So for n or in our data, we will print that the name is the real name. Use R for it. And if we run it, it's Marlowww DangerMario, Rappture HideXL, jyguy the Imposter. So it's showing our values in a pretty way. We can also do it for 3 or more. Let's create something like banned. Marlowww is banned 6 days ago, actually. HideXL is banned the day before yesterday. And jyguy isn't banned. No. So we'll also pack the banned list here. We'll also use B, and is banned, we'll use the B. Marlowww is DangerMario and is banned 6 days ago. Rappture HideXL and is banned the day before yesterday, and jyguy is the Imposter and is banned. No. And that is it.